Good evening, YouTube. Brett here from Shop Talk with Brett. We're going to have another episode of Shop Talk with Brett. No, we don't have an unboxing. I've already unboxed it. But we have yet another accessory for Homer, the Simpson pressure washer, that we have been doing videos on the last couple times. And this is my first time ever messing with one of these. Feast your eyes. Da-da-da-da. 3600 PSI Max Simpson catalog number 80143 turbo nozzle. Number 3 orifice, which is the proper one for my machine, which is a 2.5 gallon per minute at 3400 PSI. Max PSI on this guy is 3600. The insert, I believe, in this is ceramic. It seems like it's well made. And picked this up from Amazon. And here in a few minutes, we're going to try it out for a test run and see what it can do. Stay with us. Okay, we've got the Simpson all fired up right now and bled. What we're going to do is we're going to compare the turbo nozzle to your ordinary 15-degree spray tip. So here's your stock 15-degree spray tip. As you can see, that's pretty aggressive. Kind of does good on the edges there. Okay, now what we're going to do now is compare that to the turbo nozzle. Okay, now we have our turbo nozzle installed. So let's see what this does. Let's try it on something a little bit more stubborn here. We got some stubborn grass right here. Let's try it right here. And as you can see, that does pretty good. Well, all in all, I say this little nozzle actually did pretty good. For the price, that wasn't bad. Coupled with that machine out there, it seemed like that actually did pretty good at blasting off the stuff that I couldn't get with a surface cleaner on the sidewalks. It did real good on the steps. We'll see how that looks once it dries. But anyway, for the price, I would say this is a thumbs up. But let's see how it does in the long haul. But anyway, you can get it on Amazon pretty cheap. I will post a link in the description when I do the upload for the video. But I want to thank you all for watching. This is Shop Talk with Brett. Stay tuned for the next episode. I want to remind you, be safe, enjoy your summer. Most importantly, put your trust in the Lord, and we will talk on the next video. Shop Talk with Brett signing out. Have a good evening.